Welcome back to my channel. I am Sharmila. Today I will show you how I convert old wooden blocks to hand painted wooden wall hanging. So look at this beauty. You can decorate your empty wall with this elegant piece. It is easy to make. The requirements are wooden block, acrylic paint, rope and glue. So without any wasting time, let's get started. I had old long wooden block like this. I went to carpenter and told him to cut it suitable size. Then he cleaned wood with dust sander tool. It cost me 150 Indian rupees. After that, paint this block by acrylic color. Paint all blocks like this. First, roughly write good thoughts by pencil, then color it. I am using white color on all color blocks. It looks very pretty. After painting all blocks, I am drawing symbols which represent the forgiveness, love, memories, dreams, success. These symbols will bring your creativity on high level. using this thick rope to hold blocks and wooden glue to stick. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and for more updates, press the bell icon to get notification. I hope you enjoy this video. Press like button to support my channel. Thank you.